In this mini math moment, we're going to review how to reduce radicals. So if I asked you to reduce something like root of 50, it just means that we want things under the square root sign to be as small as they can. So the way we do that is we ask ourselves, can 50 be broken down into the product of two numbers, and one of the numbers has to be a perfect square. And one of the numbers has to be a perfect square. I'm going to highlight that one there. We're going to put the perfect square in that one. So factors of 50 could be 5 and 10, but neither of those are perfect squares. But then we can have 2 and 25. What we do when we find those numbers is we put them here. And I like to say, as a tip, put the perfect square in front. You'll see why later. Now, one of our radical rules says that if I have a product all under one root sign, I can split it so that each of those products gets its own copy of that root sign. Now, root 25, if I were to punch that in my calculator, or hopefully you can do that in your head, root 25 is equal to 5. So I'm going to replace this entire thing with a 5. 5 times root 2, but we don't like to write the times there if we don't need to, so we just write them side by side as 5 root 2. So that's how you reduce a radical. What if I had a number in front? If I had a number in front, like a 3, that 3 would just carry through. It would be 3 times this. It would turn into 3 times this. And then our final answer would be 15 root 2.